Jeremiah 43 verse 2. Ithi abantwana baka Israel mabezwa umprofeti Jeremiah bathi kuye, you are lying. The Lord did not send you to us to tell us not to go to Egypt. You are lying. So nami ke mina ngubrother Enigma sengikhulume nabazalwana abaningi emabandleni wabo siyabatshela ukuthi uJesu uthi bayeke lokhu nalokhu nalokhu. Uma sicela ukuphana ngemessage bona mabahlangene abantwana bakaNkulunkulu bathi sinamanga, bathi ubrother Enigma unamanga. uNkulunkulu akasho kanjalo. Bathi uNkulunkulu ubheka inhliziyo. Kanti uJesu mina ngimzwile. Angithi beyakhuluma nami. Uthi go and tell them, I always hear them when they say the Lord looks into the heart. Usho kanjalo uJesu athi it is written in his book, in the Bible, ukuthi yena uhlala ngasenhliziyweni zabazalwane abantwana bakhe. Because the book of Revelation chapter 3 ithi, I am standing by your door. Open the door, then I will come in. Welcome me into your house, and I will remain and stay with you. Ngizohlala nawe, that means ngizohlala enhliziyweni yakho, then I will know your heart. Everything ozoyicabanga uNkulunkulu uzoyazi ngoba ungaphakathi enhliziyweni yakho. Kodwa iBhayibheli ithi iBhayibheli masifunda uNkulunkulu uthi nina nukukhanya. Injalo ngesizulu, you are the light of the world.
Injalo
ngesizulu wena ukukhanya, wena you are the light. So ukuthi abantu emhlabeni babone the light to you, abayiboni enhliziyweni abantu. Angithi abantu bakubheka ngaphandle babona wena, angithi so bakubona ngaphandle ukuthi wuye lo and uphila obungcwele ngempela umntana kaNkulunkulu. Bakubheka bakubona babakubhekile. Angeke bakhona ukubona inhliziyo ibona uNkulunkulu. So usho kanjalo athi I said to you, you are the light of the world. So let the people